In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Amazon Music subscription. If you've ever wondered exactly which Amazon Music plan you're on, when it renews, or how your billing is set up, this quick walkthrough will give you a clear answer without any guesswork. The most reliable place to check is the Amazon Music settings page in a web browser. Using a computer tends to display the clearest breakdown of your plan details, renewal dates, and pricing compared to mobile apps, which can sometimes hide important information or summarize it differently. So open your preferred browser and head to the Amazon Music settings page. When you get there, sign in with the same Amazon account you use for Amazon Music. This part matters because many people have multiple Amazon accounts for shopping, family sharing, or work, and signing into the wrong one can make it look like you don't have a plan at all. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your profile. Click your name or profile icon, then choose Account and Settings. Inside Account and Settings, find and select Subscriptions. This is the hub for your Amazon Music plan. On this page, you'll see the name of your current plan, whether that's Amazon Music Unlimited or another music option, along with your renewal date and key billing details. Take a moment to read everything carefully. You should see whether you're on an individual, family, student, or single device plan, plus the date your subscription will renew and the amount you'll be charged. If you're on a free trial or using a promotional offer, that will be listed right alongside your plan with an expiry date. This is especially helpful if you're evaluating the service and want to avoid unexpected charges once the trial ends. Make a quick note of the renewal date or add it to your calendar so you have a reminder before it bills. If something doesn't look right, like no plan appears at all, double-check that you're signed into the correct Amazon account, specifically the one tied to your music listening. It's also worth refreshing the page after signing in to ensure the subscription section fully loads. To recap, the browser-based subscriptions page is your single source of truth. It shows your plan type, renewal date, and billing details in one place, with clearer formatting than most mobile views. Keep this page bookmarked for future reference, especially if you switch plans or receive new promotional offers. That's all you need to confidently confirm your Amazon Music subscription at any time.